Hey guys, Sam with KC Lawns. Today I'm going to show you how to replace your blades on your Scag. Alright, what you're going to need is you're going to be needing 3 blades that match your mower. I have a Scag 52-inch mower. I just went into the dealership and I got these high lift blades. I recommend you do the same. Tools that you're going to need are going to be a 15/16 wrench, a 15/16 deep socket. You can also get this done if you just have 2 15/16 wrench. You're also going to need a jack. We're going to actually take these all the way off. And then what we're going to do is we're going to jack the deck up all the way. All I do is take this boy right here and you're latching on, and then up here you're hooking on, and then you're just loosening them up. I don't know if you're going to be able to get the camera angle you need right there. There we go. Go ahead and jack this up. Now, this is crazy. I had the jungle jack that I spent like $400 on for I don't know how many years, and I did not know that you could pull that down. Typically these just come right out, but because they're all rusted on there, I'm gonna have to tap it out. And then what we're going to do is we're going to take this here. So what we're going to want to do is take this here, put it on, and rest it. So you'll loosen it down here, and then up there, that wrench should be slamming up against the side. Next thing we're going to do is just clean out the deck. If you wanted to see how I do that, then click that video up there and I will show you precisely how I clean the deck. You're going to do bolt, washer, clean side up, then your blade. That's what you're going to do for every single one of these. Take this here, blade assembly, and what I do is I kind of just feel for it. And then I send it up, and it's going to come up where you can take your nut and put that nut on. You're going to take your 15/16, and just like why we had it up here on this side, we're actually going to now throw it on this side. So it butts up against that. We're going to take it and then we're going to send it. Alright, so that's going to be the most difficult one right there. These other two are very simple. You take it and then you send it up. And then you put this bolt on. If this was a helpful video, be sure to like it so that other people can find it. If you have any questions, go ahead and put it in the comments below. Thanks for watching.